everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle content creator, and I'm really excited that you're all here with me today. I am going to do a really short video today, but it was one that just had to be done. So I recently got my order from the Sephora VIB sale, and your girl was tamed. Like, I feel like I got nothing this sale, but I'm really proud of myself for restraining myself and not buying too much. I did buy some items during friends and family, but I still didn't go crazy. But I just find I work from home. I'm not wearing makeup all the time. I have a lot of products that I just really need to use up. I do receive PR, so I just don't find the purpose now of like buying makeup for it to sit there and expire. But anyway, that was my rant. So I did get a few items and I did want to share them with you. These Black Friday sales are starting to test me though. I'm not going to lie. Like Sephora is doing like 25% every day. The day that I'm filming, it's Fenty that's 25% off, and I'm just thinking of that Glossy Posse set that I really want, but we will see if I can restrain myself. If I didn't, you'll probably see a Black Friday haul. But without further ado, I'm going to show you what I bought during the VIB sale. And just so you know, I am VIB status, so some things I did want actually weren't available. Like, I really wanted that coconut boot mask, and it was in my cart, and then it was sold out. But the first thing I got was actually not planned, and I did do a wish list video, and I really didn't buy anything from my wish list, but anyway. The first thing I got was the Wishful Chin Lift Sculpting Sheet Mask. These were on sale, I believe, for like $8, and then of course you got the discount. I've always wanted to try this since it came out. I did buy like one from Marshall's, like one of those chin masks, and I did notice a difference. Luckily, like, I haven't developed a double chin or like even tech neck, but it's something that's always in the back of my mind, and I just feel better when I use these kinds of masks. I haven't tried anything from Wishful yet either, so I am really excited to try that, and I didn't think this was a bad deal to pick that up. I believe they're still available, so maybe, you know, if you want to give someone a gift, this could be something that you could give. The next thing, I was so pumped, and I think when I filmed, they actually didn't have these. And this is from my girl Jackie Ina's Forever Mood candle collection. So they do have minis. These are $19, so they are quite pricey. I actually wanted Gingerbread Trap House, but that sold out, so I did get You Up, which, you know, I think is funny too, because I think we've all... well, at least like anybody that has been probably single in the last 5 years, we've all gotten a You Up text. Didn't used to be like that popular, I found before then. But anyway, this is the candle. It's very cute, very neutral. And just to give you an idea of the notes. Oh, so the scent details of this is the top is buttery caramel, the heart is cinnamon sugar, and the base is vanilla. And also, too, I love it. It says, cookies are out, but they ain't for Santa. Like, preach, Jackie. That's how I feel exactly. But I think, too, like, I like the details on the packaging, and then it says Jackie Ina right here. I probably will get Gingerbread Trap House if it does go back in stock, just because I just love the name, like, Gingerbread Trap House. Like, I'm for it. I'm kind of like a secret gangster. I never really talk about that on my channel, but I love me some rap music. The final thing I got, and this came out too before I made my video. So this is from Lawless Beauty. I've never tried anything from Lawless either, so that made me really excited. And a long time ago when I did a Will I Buy It video, I talked about this gloss and how I wanted to try it. So they had this kit for $31. I know it's kind of pricey for these little lip glosses, but they look like they're decent size. So you get 3. So you get Rosy Outlook, Daisy Pink, and Velvet. And what they say about these Maxi lip glosses is that they increase collagen synthesis, they increase lip volume, improve hydration, and reduce lip folds. I'm all for like reducing lip folds, and improving hydration. I already have kind of bigger lips anyway, but I do love any lipsticks that just make my lips even look bigger. Rosy Outlook is sheer almost clear baby pink. Daisy Pink, which is named after her daughter, is sheer and creamy baby pink. And Velvet is a rosy mauve with plummy undertones. So that will probably be the color that I like the most. But I think I'm going to do a little reel and short on these, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing lots of like holiday kit reviews, so I've already done one on my Instagram, so definitely take a look because these kits are so good, whether it be for yourself or if you did want to buy it for a gift. But I don't know, I'm really bad for buying things for myself around the holidays. That's when I tend to treat myself. And then I didn't get any deluxe samples because, of course, I had to use my code, but I did get the 2 regular samples, and it's a miracle. The busiest time of the year, they actually give me the samples I want. So I got this one size Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. So I got 6 of those little samples. I'm really excited to try that because I've never tried their concealer. I've tried their powder and I really like it. So this concealer will be the judge. I find their stuff goes on sale pretty quickly too, so if I like it, maybe I will buy it. Then I, believe it or not, have never tried the Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. So I did get this too, and this is a medium to full coverage blurring concealer. So I am really excited to try that too because, like I said, I strangely haven't tried their products. But that was everything I got in this tiny little haul. Like, I don't know, I'm proud of myself. I am really getting into not just buying things to film or to buy them. Like, I try to make myself happy, I guess, with, I don't want to say like people that are unhappy just buy things, but I think before I used to just buy things because I thought it made me happy, but I've really made some changes in my life and I don't do that anymore. So I'm really happy with the things I got, but stay tuned to see if I do a Black Friday haul. Fingers crossed I don't because I don't want to spend money, but I kind of do. But anyway, let me know what you picked up in the haul. I would love to know. And also, if you have not liked this video, do that. And if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. I also will link all the products in the description box, and I have my handles. I have been working really hard on my social media content. If you like shopping hauls and seeing what's in stores, follow me on TikTok. If you like a good daily outfit, follow me on Instagram. You will enjoy my other content. I think I try to do something different on every channel. But I thank you so much for all your love and support. It just means so much to me. I'm really starting to see some exciting things happen, and it's all because of you. So I thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.